G'day guys, how's it going? My name is CJ, and this is the TicPods 2 Pro, a Bluetooth wireless headset with more than a few interesting features, all whilst exuding shades of the Apple AirPods, at least on the surface. It's a feature-filled update from Mobboy's first attempt at wireless earbuds, the original TicPods. Let's take a look. A little known fact about the original TicPods is that I've owned these ones for a while now and hadn't actually gotten around to making a video about it. And that's mainly because it was very much a 1.0 release. It had latency issues, sound quality was pretty average, connectivity was inconsistent, and as an overall package, it had a lot of room for improvement. The main thing going for it was that it was at least competitive in price. Skip forward a year now, and the follow-up tries to address all of these issues and more, but of course with a slightly higher price. Especially in the Pro version, looking at roughly 210 Australian dollars or about 130 US dollars. The standard model will probably cost you around 140 Australian dollars. Still overall cheaper than the Apple AirPods, mind you. In fact, if you pre-order, you could get them for about 10% off. So that's something to consider. But let's first start off by unboxing it. It comes in a pretty standard box setup. Slide away the cover and pop open the box. You're presented with a starter guide and of course underneath the headphones. It sits in a slightly more compact package compared to the original version, and its lightweight plastic construction, whilst it doesn't feel overly premium, it is quite solid. Also, the groove texture on the top of the case is a nice little touch that they've brought over from the original version. And keeping on the case, praise be the gods, we've got USB-C connectivity for charge. Speaking of which, gives up to around 23 hours of listening time from full and gives you about an hour of juice just from 5 minutes of charge. Now moving along with the unboxing, on the bottom is a little bit more paperwork and interestingly a USB-A to USB-C cable. And that turns out to be an important detail because for reasons unknown, it doesn't seem to work with USB-C to C cables, as pointed out here, even on the official paperwork. But having a quick look at the headphones themselves, there's a few bits of plastic film that need to come off first. But once you've got that sorted, pick them up and you realize they're a really lightweight construction. And like the AirPods, they've got a one size only design, so it might not necessarily fit all ears. Having a nice look around it, you can tell the build quality is nice and solid, with pretty decent tight tolerances. Whacking them on very quickly, they do seem to fit my ears okay, but then AirPods also sit in my ears alright as well. So if AirPods fit for you, then the TicPods probably will too. But on the same vein, if the AirPods keep falling out or weren't a really good fit, you might want to try these on first before buying. Now Mobboy are really pushing 3 features that are unique to the Pro version, and they're quite aptly named. Tic here for voice control, Tic Motion for head-based gestures, and Tickle, which is an older feature, and this provides volume control and song skipping. And that's in amongst a whole bunch of other improvements over the original version. But how well these features work together as a package, well that's going to have to wait until the full review. And on that note, that'll probably do for the unboxing. I'm going to put these through its paces over the next few weeks, so do keep an eye out for the full review coming near you. Are there any features that you'd like me to test out? Let me know in the comments section below. And the TicPods 2 Pros, they're going to go on sale at around 15th of January. So check them out if you're interested. They could turn out to be a decently cheap alternative to Apple AirPods. But that'll be it. As always, thank you so much for watching. And remember, like, subscribe, and of course, say good day for me. Cheers.